in my house in Jakarta and check out my
Hello, my name is Bobby, and welcome to my house.
I live in Menteng.
a Indonesian billionaire with a car collection, a watch collection, and a girlfriend collection. And
I heard that you're one of the richest men in Indonesia, ya kan?
The richest, bro.
270 triliun gitu kan. Have you heard about that?
No.
I hate Jakarta. I don't want to live here anymore.
Ex-Taylor Swift is my neighbor.
Everyone who works at my house has their own bedroom.
Hai guys, jumpa lagi di Bang Jaka Channel. Kali ini seru banget karena kita bakal melihat dia adalah orang terkaya di Indonesia. Dia nggak kerja dan punya 12 Ferrari, dan dia konsisten hanya memacari seorang pacar dari setiap negara, guys. Dia nggak pernah memacari 2 orang pacar dari satu negara. Bahkan 9 naga adalah pamannya. Oke, langsung aja kita tonton bareng-bareng.
And then we do this like an hour, and then you have to go.
Yeah, I lose a little bit of time, but it's okay. You know, sometimes you have to do some charity for some homeless YouTuber like you.
Di mata Bobby Saputra, Deddy Corbuzier itu termasuk orang miskin yang butuh bantuan, guys. Bisa kamu bayangkan, guys, siapa dia sebenarnya dan seberapa kaya dia, kan? Ngeri kan kekayaannya, kan?
Ipao, Chinese brand, like
Mahal.
Cheongsam, very mahal.
How much?
Too many numbers for your head.
The glasses?
Just you can buy them anywhere.
Murah.
Murah, yeah.
Oh, why? Katanya orang kaya.
Oh, like murah for me, expensive for you.
Kena mental lagi deh, guys.
You're shit rich. You got everything you want, but you're loyal to girlfriends.
Yes, to every single one of them.
To every single one of them.
I will never date a different girl from a different country.
Okay.
One country, one girl.
And there is rules.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can't live life without rules, man.
Yeah, that's true,
Otherwise, we're
yeah.
just barbarians doing whatever we want.
Yeah, you're right. So you still have a rules.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Itu adalah statement dia, ya. Walaupun orang kaya, guys.
Ini orang terkaya nomor berapa di Indonesia?
Kaya.
Yeah, I heard that you're one of the richest men in Indonesia. Ya kan?
Tersinggung lah, guys,
The
kalau dia bilang
richest,
kaya.
bro.
One of the
Karena dia
The
orang
richest.
terkaya, guys.
My dad is the richest man in Indonesia.
your dad is the richest man in Indonesia.
Yes.
Then you're one of the richest.
Second richest.
You're second richest.
Orang terkaya nomor 2 di Indonesia.
Gimana? Lihat ini.
How rich?
No, look at my podcast studio. What do you think?
You could do some improvements, you know? It looks like a 12-year-old for a room for a 12-year-old boy.
I even put a gold color there, man.
Tapi itu plastic, bro.
Gak mungkin juga
I
dong.
can see, bro.
Iya,
It's
gak
like
mungkin
plastic.
ditaruh emas dong, bro.
Oh ya, not di sini, nanti orang ambil kan.
Nggak terbayang gimana kekayaan dia sebenarnya, guys, ya. Berarti dia super kaya, super. Dia juga ngaku, guys, nggak kerja, guys. Kerja dia dikit, cuman pergi ke kantor memotivasi orang, kemudian pulang lagi, guys. Dan dia punya 12 Ferrari. Wow, ya kan?
If you get a woman, hold on tight to me.
All my friends in Europe have a Mercedes, and I have to drive around in my Ferrari all the time. It's so embarrassing. What?
Sekarang si Bobby lagi sama pacarnya yang berada di Korea. Cantik banget, ya. Makan disulangin, ya. Menu makanan mantap, ya.
You know 9 naga?
All my uncles, you mean?
Oh, paman dia.
9 daga itu semua paman dia, guys.
Ada keluarga koloni Indonesia yang I'm pretty sure that you don't know them before.
Pakai jam tangan Richard Mille.
Koleksi jam-jam mewah, punya Ferrari, Lambo, dan even di rumahnya dia punya pembantu diimpor langsung dari Singapura. Terus Bobby Saputra, keluarga dia bergerak di banyak bidang bisnis like nikel, air minum, mining, Apple, Tesla. Lately he's very viral di sosmed, dan even Wapres Gibran komen di salah satu videonya dia. And dia secara terang-terangan monopoli bisnis di Indonesia karena baru-baru ini dia kerja sama Michael Salim untuk membuat peraturan wajib memasak Indomie dengan air aqua, di mana setiap yang melanggar bisa dicambuk 15 kali di area publik SCBD. Menurut gua, how this rich kid pamer dia punya kekayaan sih nggak banget ya. Apalagi dengan pamer jam mewah, mobil mewah, makanan mahal, hotel-hotel bintang 5, dan tempat tinggal dia. I know dia punya backingan yang kuat. He knows Donald Trump, he knows Kim Jong Un, tapi ya nggak gitu juga. Gue sih kurang suka ya dengan gaya bersosial media dia. Menurut lu gimana?
Sampai presiden negara maju ikut bekerja sama dia, guys. Dan dia bakal mencambuk orang-orang yang nggak masak Indomie dengan aqua.
Bobby atau Ben?
Bobby Saputra.
Bobby Saputra. Orang terkaya nomor 7 di Indonesia.
Nomor 7. Udah turun, guys, ya.
Aku nomor 8.
Turun lagi nomor 8.
tapi bukan di list-list. Kita nggak masuk ke list. Semua orang bilang aku sombong, tapi ini cuman life-nya biasa saya. And aku punya maids dari Singapura.
Kontroversial, namanya Super Cool Band alias Bobby Saputra yang ngaku anak konglomerat. Di kontennya, ia sering sambil menyebut dirinya sebagai profesional sun. Penasaran nggak profesional sun itu kerjaannya ngapain ya?
Aku juga ada susah, bro. It's hard for me too sometimes.
Like what?
If there's traffic, I have to wait in traffic like everyone else. If there's an elevator.
Oke, dari beberapa video yang kita tampilkan, nah bagaimana menurut kamu guys? Apakah dia itu benar-benar super kaya ya, anak orang super kaya, anak 9 naga? Komen guys ya. Tapi sebenarnya saya ingin menjelaskan guys, bahwasanya nanti bakal dibongkar di sini guys ya. Jadi siapakah Bobby sebenarnya? Oke guys, kita lihat ya.
Food content, so many people does, and so many people do the same. Even so many bules do Indonesian content because they know that Indonesian people like to see bules discover Indonesian culture.
Yeah.
But then you just started. How did it happen? How did you start with this new character?
With Bobby or with
Bobby?
Oh, so yeah. So Bobby's a funny story. Bobby's a funny story. And I started walking down the stairs, and it's my friend's wedding. And I walk down the stairs, and I look at all these like super well-dressed, perfect-skinned Chinese Indonesians. They're unbelievably like well-groomed, well-dressed, and I'm like, these are Chinese Indonesians. They're so detached from reality.
So you're not Chindo?
I am, but I'm European. I grew up in Germany. I grew up in the UK.
So your parents are Chinese Indonesian?
My parents are both Chinese Indonesian, but they grew up in Europe.
Okay.
So I'm 100% European. So I come to Indonesia and I see these perfectly groomed people, and they are so detached from reality. Like, they have these credit cards that have colors I've never even seen before, and they spend ridiculously. They never think, and I've had some friends as well that go into these restaurants and they just spend whatever they want. And I thought, these guys are so detached from reality. I wonder if they know what's going on in the real world, because they all live in their little homes. They're not allowed out. They have like these credit cards and they have to do whatever their parents tell them. And I'm just like, wow, I bet one of them is called Bobby. That's like such a rich people name, you know, Kevin and Bobby and like, and then I thought,
it's a rich Asian name.
Rich Asian name. Bobby only started like 3 weeks ago.
No,
So
but I
like,
mean Bobby as a name, or Kevin is like a rich, like a super rich Asian kind of name.
Yeah. And like William, right? So my dad is William, and like William Saputra, and he started this whole thing, and I never see him. He never talks to me. He never gives me attention, but I can use his credit card, which is great.
That's all you need from your father.
I wondered if I could pretend to be Bobby and go to fancy restaurants and like crack a couple jokes about how rich and how hard my life is.
Yeah, so the first video that went viral was you with the golden AK, right?
Yes,
AK-47.
Yes.
That's so crazy.
Yeah, funny.
That's insane.
Yeah.
But so,
nah, begitulah kisahnya dan itulah kenyataannya guys ya. Jadi sebenarnya si Bobby ini memang udah 10 tahun yang lalu dia jadi YouTuber guys. Dia bekerja keras bikin konten YouTube, ngedit sendiri, semua sendiri. Kamu bisa lihat di konten-kontennya. Kamu bisa melihatnya di sini, ini lengkap semua yang diupload dia dari dulu sampai sekarang guys. Dan dia bikin konten masak-memasak 10 tahun yang lalu. Dan dia ini adalah orang biasa. Dan menjadi seorang Bobby Saputra adalah sebuah konten sarkasme guys ya, untuk menyindir orang-orang kaya. Nah, bagaimana menurut pendapat kamu guys? Silahkan berikan tanggapan, sanggahan, opini, dan kritik di kolom komentar. Semoga bermanfaat bagi kita semua, dan sampai jumpa lagi di video selanjutnya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ciao.